From today, your life is going to get easier because in this video, I'm going to tell you how to download songs with Chrome on your phone with an easy guide. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. As always, let's start from the beginning. First, open any browser, like Chrome. After opening Chrome, type Pixabay in the search bar. Pixabay is a free website where you can download high-quality images, videos, and music. You can use its content for personal or commercial projects. After searching for Pixabay, click on the first link. Once the link opens, Pixabay will load. At the top, you'll see some options like Explore, Photos, etc. Swipe left until you find the music option. Then press on it. The work isn't done, so don't make the mistake of skipping the video now. In the music section, you'll find a lot of royalty-free music and songs. If you're looking for a specific song, go back to the top and type the song's name in the search bar. Once you find a song you like, simply click the download icon to save the song or music. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.